Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Speechify or Speechify.com. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that lets you hear the book or hear words instead of reading it. So basically this app is designed for dyslexic people or having a hard time to read. Just like this guy, Cliff Weitzman, the founder of Speechify. I don't know if you've seen him on social media, especially on Instagram, there are a lot of Speechify ads. And basically he's dyslexic and he made this app in order for people like him to read books or hear books in turn. So they have actors like Snoop Dogg, Mr. Beast, a lot more. So they have they're the number one text-to-speech reader. Let Speechify read it to you. So if you're wondering if this is actually really good, we have it here on Trustpilot, and they're rated 4.5 out of 5 stars with 4,000 reviews. And basically a lot of people are saying that they're really good. So basically what you do is just scan the title of the book on your Speechify app, and the book can recognize the book, and basically it will just read out loud the book for you. So let's see the reviews here. So I love using Speechify. Sheila was great, helping fix a duplicate subscription. I really enjoy Speechify. Rohan was helpful. Frequent bugs but excellent support. Was built for a subscription I canceled a few hours too late. Really great customer service. Mike was incredible. Has everything taken care of quickly. Mike was extremely helpful in dealing with my account. And basically their customer service is really good. And yeah, that is basically it. So if you want to go ahead and try Speechify, this app is legit. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.